There are a plethora of reasons for growing winter wheat. Money is the biggest one.
Growing winter wheat for us, it's always about the bottom line.
You go and ask any farmer's return on investment.
At the end of the day, it's dollars and cents. I think when you put the pencil to the paper and see the potential is there, that leads itself into capturing so many other benefits of the winter wheat in the rotation.
Time and time again, winter wheat on our farm has proven to be one of the most profitable, and so that's why we grow it.
I've been growing winter wheat for about 18 years, and the decision to grow it, I was looking for a more profitable cereal crop, and winter wheat fit the bill for that.
Well, it's a profitable crop, you know, and not only with our farm, but you know, we have neighbors in our neighborhood that seem the same thing. That's a priority crop to them.
We do treat it like a high production crop because it can return a lot of yield and dollars per acre.
I'm looking for the maximum economic yield of the crops in order to maximize my net returns. And to do that, winter wheat has to perform. If you look back through the yield data, winter wheat always has out-yielded spring wheat.
Well, I think economics is the big reason. We certainly wouldn't be growing it if we didn't figure we were making money.
And the money comes in the reduced costs that that we've demonstrated every year on our farm, but it also comes from having a system that relates to the environment that we're in.
Winter wheat's a profitable crop. We can make money growing it. When we look at all our crop alternatives, winter wheat compares to our durum and canary seed, and I find it's right in their profitability each and every year, often better.
Our goal is to grow that 100 bushel plus winter wheat every year, and we've hit that a few times, and if not, we're never very far off the target. So you take that yield and you multiply it by the price that you can get out in the marketplace, and it's always contributed to our bottom line. That's why we grow it.
Winter wheat makes my farm profitable because we make more money. We have a higher income, we have lower expenses, and overall we have lower investment costs that are required in machinery to generate that income.
You're spreading out your harvesting, you're spreading out your seeding, and you can focus also on getting your other crops in earlier. You often can market it in really August, so it's good for cash flow, for bin storage to move your crop off that early.
We work on return on investment. We want to have good yields, and winter wheat in the country where I am is some of the best yielding. It'll out-yield the spring wheats and barleys, and so we have a good return.
The three things that I would tell young farmers that are thinking of growing winter wheat, and the reason that they should grow winter wheat in their crop rotation: number one, money; number two, money; and number three, money.
For us on our farm, winter wheat has always proven to be a breadwinner, and that's why we consistently grow it. I'd like to see them give it a try.
I've went through some bad years with some droughts, and my winter wheat crop was my best return crop, net return crop that I had by a mile. So in our area where we live, where it's drier, and with the new varieties that are coming out, it's a real opportunity to have a consistent supply of good return on the farm. So no, I won't give up growing winter wheat.
Every year, winter wheat continues to out-yield spring wheat. And I think that's an important factor to remember, that it doesn't matter when you combine it, winter wheat is a higher yielding crop than spring wheat.
It's good for our land, and it's good for our business.